This is the Centre Cushion Armrest for the BJ8 Phase 1, so that's pre-26,704 approximately. Always worth double checking though, they weren't exactly consistent. This has been made to the leather faced specification, so this actual sort of a cubby box armrest hinge cover is leather, so you've got leather sides, leather top, leather side, and then piping. The piping at this area here has been stripped out, which means you can tuck it and trim rounds nice and easily. So you get the leather cover, which literally is for the armrest that sort of tilts back. You then get a piece of vinyl here for, there's a panel that sits underneath the underside of the hinge area, so that's for retrimming that, so you get one piece of there. This is for the actual main sort of support surround that goes on the car, below the actual hinged panel, and a piece of foam here that actually sits inside the actual armrest of the cubby box area, and then the miscellaneous bit of trim to cover up a bit of the bodywork panel. So that's the kit.